Today's session is on modulo tables, and I will divide this session into two because I want it to make it simple. And for modulo tables, they will either give you the set of the numbers for you to construct your table, or you will write your numbers. And whenever you are writing your numbers, they will give you maybe construct a table for mode 3. And mode 3, in our previous lesson, I stated that anytime you hear of this mode, you need not to bring this 3 because 3 is what? Exempted. Mode 5. If you are asked to construct a modulo table for mode 5, you start from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. For mode 7 is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it's either they give you the set of the numbers or they will give you the mode. So if they ask you to draw an addition table using the set 1, 3, 5, 7 in mode 9, you should stick with this set of numbers. This time you cannot choose this. But if they write it as draw an addition table for mode 9, you will follow this concept, that's 0 to 8. So I will divide this session into two parts, and this first session I have not given you any set of numbers. I will ask you to construct a table for a given modulo. So this session is on this part. Always note that for modulo tables, we do not have subtraction and division tables. No, it's not possible. Subtraction and division table we do not have, but we have addition and multiplication table. No subtraction and division table is not possible. So I have given you an example to illustrate this heading. This topic is examinable mode, especially your compulsory question, the senior high school WASSCE students. Modulo is examinable, both objectives, section B. So take notes. So draw an addition and multiplication tables for modulo 5. Draw an addition and multiplication tables for modulo 5. This time I have not given you any set. So let us construct our addition table. Addition table. Mode 5. So you write your addition here. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. And this is vertical and this is horizontal. You write the same numbers, both vertical and horizontal. So 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And for modulo, I said always we write only remainders. 0 plus any number is equal to the same number. 1 plus 0, 1. 1 plus 1, 2. 1 plus 2, 3. 4. 1 plus 4, we are getting 5. No. 5 mode 5. You ask yourself, 5 goes into 5, how many? 1. Remainder 0. 2 plus 0, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. 2 plus 2, 4. 2 plus 3, 5. 5 mode 5. We had 0, so you write 0. 2 plus 4 is what? 6. So 6 mode 5. If you know you forget, you write this one down. 5 goes into 6, 1. Remainder 1. You write your remainder. 3 plus 0 is what? 3. 3 plus 1, 4. 3 plus 2, 5 mode 5. We had 0. Because this one will remember you. 3 plus 3, 6, and 6 mode 5, we had 1. 3 plus 4, 7. 7 mode 5 is 2, because 5 goes into 7, 1 remainder 2. 4 plus 0, 4, 5. 5 mode 5, 0. This one too, we are getting 1, 2. 4 plus 4, 8. Mode 5, you get 3. So I'll finish constructing my addition table. I have finished constructing my addition table. You see these zeros, you see it's a pattern. See, this is the trick when they don't give you any set. Once they don't give you any set and you write your numbers like this, you see it's a pattern. It follows. You see this 3 diagonal, yeah, it follows like that. 1, 2, and even we have 4, 0, 1, 2, 3. So if it was mode 6, this one becomes 5, and this means this number will be 4. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So always, if you are not given any sets, you see the pattern. But once you are given set, you can follow this methodology that, oh, once we have 0, let me write my 0, 0. No, you should work everything out. But if they don't give you any set, you can follow this pattern. Oh, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. So I'll finish constructing my addition table. Let's move on to my multiplication table. So multiplication table. Multiplication table. Mode 5, 0, 1, 2. So it becomes multiplication sign 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm constructing my multiplication table nicely. Modulo is not difficult. It's not difficult. So 0 times any number is equal to 0. So 1 times 0, 0. 1 times any number 2 is equal to the same number. 2 times 0, 0. 2 times 1, we are having 2. 2 times 2 is what? 4. 2 times 3, we have what? 6. So 6 mode 5. 6 mode 5, we have 1. 2 times 4 is what? 8. 8 mode 5, we have what? 3. So 3 times 0 is what? 0. 3 times 1, 3. 3 times 2, 6. 6 mode 5 is what? 1. 3 times 3 is what? 9. 9 mode 5. 5 goes into 9, 1. Remainder 4. You write our remainder. 3 times 4 is what? 12. And 12 mode 5. 5 goes into 12, 2. Remainder 2. So you see, we've written 3, 0, 3, 1, 4, 2. This is 0 column, 1 column, 2, 3, 4. And we know this as our vertical column. And vertical column, the value for 4, the values for 4 are 4, 0, 4, 3, 2. This vertical column is the same as the horizontal what? Column. So you just write 4. What is the next number? 0, 4, 3, 2. And you work out your last. So as I said, this vertical column is the same as the horizontal column. We have 4, 0, 4, 3, 2. 4, 0, 4, 3, 2. So you work out your last column. So 4 times 4 is what? 16. Mode 5. 5 goes into 16, 3 remainder 1. 1. So you see this one. Let us check the column for 1. We are having 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let us check. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 2. 0, 2, 4, 1, 5. 2. 0, 2, 4, 1, 3. No, this is 3. So the vertical columns and the horizontal column they are the same. It corresponds. You see, for addition, I said this pattern what follows once you are not given any set. But for multiplication tables, when you are not given any set, it can't follow that what pattern. You should calculate every value in the table. You should calculate every value in the table because you can't follow this pattern. You see, it's not following like this one. So the addition, I have given you a clue that it follows, but for multiplication, it doesn't hold here. You can't follow that pattern here. So once I have constructed my addition and multiplication table, I will use my table to solve these questions. I will use my table to solve these questions. So we have I 3 plus 4, 3 plus 4, 3 plus 4, and 3 plus 4, 3 plus 4. So you see 3 plus 4, we are getting what? 2. 3 plus 4 is what? 2. 3 plus 4 is what? 2. Our answer is 2. Our answer is 2. The value for this one is 2. We are given 2 times 3 plus 4. You first solve for the bracket first, and we know 3 plus 4 is what? 2 times this 2, and 2 times 2, we are getting what? 4. So our answer for this second one is 4. So always, if you are given bracket, you solve for the bracket first. This one too, you must work out the bracket, and after that you combine the 2 bracket with what? The addition after solving. So 2 times 3 is what? 2 times 3. We are getting what? 1. It's not 2 times 3, 6. We are using the table, the value you have gotten here. So we have 1 plus 2 times 4. 2 times 4. 2 times 4. We are getting what? 3. So 1 plus 3. You follow your addition table too. Every answer you are getting, we don't use our imagination. So 1 plus 3 is what? 4. The value for this one is 4, the third one. So always, if you are given bracket, you solve for the bracket. After that, you combine the 2 values you've gotten. 3 times 2 is what? 3 times 2. The answer is 1. So the value for this is what? 1. So you have been asked to use your table to find the truth set. And another name for truth set is solution set. 4 times n is equal to 1. They want you to know that 4 times what number will give you 1? 4 times what number here will give you 1? So 4 times 0 is 0. 4 times 1 is 4. No, so let's check. 4 times 4 is what? 1. So 4 times 4 is what? 1. This means our truth set becomes n. It says that n is equal to 4. The answer is 4. N times 2. So n times 2 is equal to 1. You ask yourself, what number times 2? Are you getting 1 here? 1 times 2 is what? 2. 2 times 2 is what? 4. But 3 times 2, you see we are getting 1. So 3 times 2 is what? 1. So n is said that n is equal to 3. N times n is equal to 1. 2 same numbers, if you multiply it, you get 1. They are talking of multiplication table, but not addition what? Table. 2 same numbers, so 1 times 1 is what? 1. So one of the numbers is 1. 2 times 2 is 4. No. 3 times 3 is 1. So one of the numbers is 3. 4 times 4 is 1. 4 times 4 is 1. So the 3 numbers is 1, 3, and 4. Because these same numbers, if you multiply them, you are getting what? 1. 2 plus n is equal to 0. They are now talking of addition table here, not subtraction. 2 plus what number is 0? 2 plus 3 is what? 0. 2 plus 3 is 0. So 2 plus 3, our answer is what? 3. So n is said that n is equal to 3. N is said that n is equal to 3. 4 plus 2 plus n is equal to 3. 4 plus 2 plus n is equal to 3. They want you to find a value for n. They are talking of addition table here. So let me put 1 here. 2 plus 1, we are getting what? 3. 2 plus 1 is what? 3. And 4 plus 3. 4 plus 3. We are getting 2. This means we are not getting this answer, so we can choose 1. 2 plus 2 is what? 4. 2 plus 2. We are getting what? 4. You ask yourself, oh, let me choose 2. 2 plus 2. 2 plus 2 is what? 2 plus 2. We are getting 4. 4 plus 4. 4 plus 4 is what? 3. So this means the value for n is 2. With this question, so I've given you one prior question. Try your hands on this question. Thank you, and we will meet in our next lesson.